How to make money in recessions. Guys, do you know that companies are firing thousands of employees? Share market is going down, and yeah, this is the time of recession. If you have bills more than your income, then you are going to be bankrupt. Now listen to me carefully. I'm going to share an extra income way that you can use and make money. To let that happen, you have to watch full video, and if you are new, then please like and subscribe. So right now people are just getting fired or they are not getting work, and if you look at a life of a 9-to-5 job guy, you can easily see the debt. Now what you have to do is just build your side income or a side hustle that can generate you money. I also have a plan for this. I can help you to build your 6-figure online business that are generating $3 billion+ every year. This is not network marketing. This is not MLM. This is not scam. This is not bad. Do you know who is Jonathan Montaya? If yes, then I'm going to present his course in front of you. Passive income lifestyle. Passive income lifestyle is where all the money is. If you don't make investment, then you are going to be bankrupt. If you buy course from my link in description, then I'm going to give you access of their affiliate program, and lots of bonuses are there. So it would be great situation for you and me. This is a win-win situation, and this opportunity coming to you, don't lose it. Instead, grab this opportunity, or else recession will kill you. This course can change your life if you focus properly in this course. And for your kind information, this course is for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry that making newbie millionaires. Affiliate marketing is the easiest thing in the world and the best way to become a millionaire. So that is it for today, guys. Please like and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Zombies is coming.